Side hustles I wish we knew earlier. Part 1. Let me show you. First, go to Etsy.com. From there, type in digital, and then choose any of the following. I chose planner. This planner right here sells for about $8, and it has over 12,000 downloads. What we're going to do now is find digital planners similar to this one to resell. Over to Google and type in notebook PLR. Next, click on this first link, and it should be plrplanners.com. This website gives us the opportunity to sell pre-written planners that we can sell ourselves. PLR just means private label rights, and that means we can do whatever we want with it. We can sell for a profit or we can sell for free. After you get your planner from here, you can go back to Etsy and you can sell it for a profit. Be sure to follow us for more side hustle tips. And if you want to know our #1 side hustle that allows us to work from home, check out the link in our bio.